Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening display settings immediately. This is where changes take effect. First, open Menu and type Displays or Navigate, Settings right arrow Displays. Because Mint uses Cinnamon, Mate, or XFCE, make sure you're in the right panel. Each layout labels options slightly differently. Check that your external monitor is connected and powered. Note the current resolution and refresh rate so you can revert if needed. Once done, you're ready to choose a new resolution from the available list and apply temporary changes. Now choose the resolution you want from the drop-down. For example, 1920 x 1080 or 1280 x 720 depending on your monitor. Next, set the refresh rate. Start with 60 Hz for stability. Click Apply to preview the change. Mint gives you a countdown to confirm. If the display looks correct, click Keep Changes. Otherwise, let it revert. If the desired resolution is missing, you'll need the complex next step: adding custom modes with Xrandr or adjusting drivers, which we'll cover now. To add a custom mode, use Xrandr from a terminal. Run CVT to generate a model line, then Xrandr new mode, add mode, and output to set it. This lets you get non-standard sizes. If scaling, black borders, or blank screens happen, install or switch proprietary GPU drivers and reboot. If a change leaves you stuck, switch to a TTY with Ctrl plus Alt plus F2 to undo commands, or reboot and restore the known good resolution from display settings. One tip: save working Xrandr commands to a script for reuse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.